Good morning. It's Monday, the 17th of January, 2022, and welcome to our Storm Daily Debrief. Just to recap the end of last week, we had the Fed sort of communicating to the market that easy money is sort of going to be slowing and a bit of tapering starting to begin, and some of the Fed chairs sort of seconding that towards the end of the week. In that, we had a bit of a spike in the VIX, US tech and big mega cap selling off a little bit. Dollar getting a little bit stronger towards the close, and the US 10-year heading towards that 180 level and looking to maybe potentially break out there. This morning, we had weaker China data that came out and sort of signaling a bit more stimulus from them. And we've pretty got mixed counters around Asia. We've got Tencent down 1.65%, Rio down about 1%, BHP down 1% also, copper down a little bit from our close, and oil price pretty much unchanged. Looking at this morning, I think, or to this week, I think our focus is going to be in the retail sector. I think we've got a couple of retail updates coming through, and I think that's going to be the area of focus for the next few days. So just to have a look here, we're going to start off with, I think, potentially Truworths is due. We spoke about them on Friday. They didn't come out on Friday, but I think they're imminent either today or tomorrow. Potentially, let's, if we get a decent result, I think they're looking for a revenue number of about 10 plus billion. If you get a decent number, and I think the stock can maybe go about 56.80, you can get a decent move out of it. So just to keep an eye on this update. Similarly, we've got Foschini also that's due. It has traded really, really well. I don't know if it's been shorts covering ahead of the numbers or the update, but definitely want to be watching. The 200 days at 134.20 area. So keep an eye on that potentially to test that if we do get a good set of numbers. Then the next idea also is to watch CFR. I think we've got CFR on Wednesday. The stock obviously was one of the best performers on the board last year. Let's keep a close eye on this one. I think if you do have continued rand strength and a little bit of weakness, this might provide an opportunity to get in the 205, 215 area into the numbers on Wednesday. Those are ideas for today. So we're going to be focused on Foschini, Truworths, and CFR. And waiting for these updates to see where the next positioning to be able to be putting on some exposure is. Good luck for today, and we will chat tomorrow.